Hello everyone. Welcome today in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday. Thursday, January the 14th, 2021. In this edition with extra Sudokus, we have here Sudoku with 1 star, Sudoku with 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. We have a tectonic here. Tectonic number 2, binary number 1, and a binary number 2. So total of 8 extra Sudokus. A lot of Sudokus to solve. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. And those Sudokus I will solve are the Sudoku with 3 stars. This is 3 stars. We have 4 stars. This one is a 4-star. Then we have a tectonic I will do, and a binary I will do. 8 Sudokus are too much for me on a day, so I only do 4 of them. Time consuming, yes, too much time. So we start with the first one. It's a 3 stars Sudoku, and this will be number 2162. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I've counted all of these stars Sudokus. The 1 star has 25, 2 stars also 25, 3 stars 25, and the 4 stars also 25 printed digits. You can check if I'm correct. So the publisher has definitely changed his strategy and printed all Sudokus with 25 printed digits. Alright. So let's get started with this 3 stars Sudoku. Alright. Let me see. How about let me scan the whole puzzle. How about the 8 in the first column, the 8 in the third column? So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 5 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers now. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. Here 2, no 2 in that box. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Then 1, 3, 3 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing number is a 1. The 1 is missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. And then okay, we have a 1 in this row, a 1 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Then 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the ones are used. I can see digit number 1. All right. So 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for a 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. 4 and 9, we have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in the first column for the number 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 3 goes there. How about these 2 numbers in the second column? Those missing numbers are the 7 is missing and the 5 is missing. 7 and the 5. 7 and the 5 are missing in the second column. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 4, so you can follow it easier. All right. So we have a 5 in this row, a 5 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5, no 5 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 5. How about the number 2 in this row? 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And then how about wow. 3 missing numbers. Yeah. 3, 8, 7. No. I cannot fill this yet. Let me think. 2 numbers left here. 6 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 6 and the 9. Let me scan. 8, 5. 8, 7. Yes, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be here. So 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 8 and 3. 8 and 3. We have a 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 3 goes there. 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in this box. Here an 8, no 8 in that box. 1 box left for the 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2. Number 8, alright. How about those two missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 3 and the 9. 3 and the 9. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then these two numbers, missing numbers in this row are the missing numbers 4 and 7. 4 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two numbers. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 9 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two numbers again. Okay. How about 6? Aha. We have a pair. 9 and 6. 9 and 6. Let me 2 2 5 5 5 5 5 6 and a 7. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 5 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. And look, we have a 5 and a 7 there. So no 5 and the 7 in this box. The 5 and the 7 goes in those two boxes. You see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 5 goes there. So one box left in this column for the number 6. Then I need a 9. How about the 9 in this row and 9 in the third row? So the row between the second row, the only place for the 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this row. Oh, 9 in the last row, so the row between. The only two places for the 9 could be here, could be there. I cannot fill this yet. Same like with those two 9s. One number left in the last row for the number 6. Now we have a 6 here, so this box cannot be 6 anymore. This box should be the 6. This should be a 9. Now we have a 9 there, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This box should be the 9. Alright, so two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Two numbers left in this column for the numbers 4 and 7. 4 and 7, we have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be a 4, and this should be a 3. One number left in the second row for the number 2. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. 3, 7. Alright, how about those two numbers in this column? 1, 2, the 3, 4, 5. 3 and a 6. 3 and the 6 are missing. 3 and a 6. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. One number left in this row for the number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 6 is missing. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. How about those 2 numbers in this column? For the numbers, so 1, 2, 3, and the 4 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this can be 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 7. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. All right, great 3 Stars Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku. It will be a 4-star Sudoku. See you later. Bye-bye for now.